Welcome to Earnings 101. Today we'll be discussing how to make money by ghostwriting. Make sure to subscribe and hit the like button if you find it helpful. If you're looking for a way to make money online, ghostwriting may be the perfect opportunity for you. As a ghostwriter, you can earn income by writing content for other people. This could include blog posts, articles, ebooks, and more. In this video, we'll show you everything you need to know to get started as a ghostwriter. First, we'll discuss what a ghostwriter is and how to become one. A ghostwriter is a person who writes for another person in exchange for payment. To become a ghostwriter, you'll need strong writing skills, the ability to work with clients, and the ability to meet deadlines. To get started, you can look for online writing jobs or contact literary agents or publishing companies and ask if they're looking for any ghostwriters. Next, we'll discuss how to find clients as a ghostwriter. There are a few key places to look for potential clients, such as job boards, social media, and reaching out to businesses directly. To land your first client, you can create and maintain relationships with potential clients through networking. Also create a portfolio of your previous work, and be professional when communicating with potential clients. Finally, we'll discuss how to determine your rates as a ghostwriter. Your rates should be based on your level of experience, the time it will take you to complete the project, and the difficulty of the subject matter. We'll also cover ways to increase your rates, such as by adding value to your services, building a reputation, and becoming an expert in your field on our website. That's it for our video on how to make money by ghostwriting. We hope you found this information useful and that it helps you start making money as a ghostwriter. Remember to develop your writing skills, be professional, and network to find clients. And don't forget to check out our other videos on the Earnings 101 channel and visit our website, www.earnings101.com for more information on how to make money online. Thanks for watching and please subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on how to make money online. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. We'd love to hear from you. And don't forget to check out our website, www.earnings101.com for more resources on ghostwriting and other ways to make money online. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in our next video.